In this video, we'll add a piece of heating and cooling equipment to our project. We'll start by clicking on Energy, and we click to Heating under Step 2, and we will select the type of equipment that we want to add. We're going to use a furnace to represent a heating unit and a rooftop unit. I can add RTU here in my notes just for a reminder for later. Now, regardless of the piece of equipment, heating equipment that is, that you select here, the key piece of information you'll need to enter is the seasonal efficiency of that equipment. That's not the nameplate efficiency, moreover, it's the efficiency over the course of the heating season. If you're in doubt at some point about what you're being asked in red screen, very simply mouse over the label, in this case seasonal efficiency, click down, and you'll come up with a context-sensitive help. It'll describe what they're looking for there, but it'll also describe for you and maybe provide you with some data as to the types of values you would put in here. So we're going to use a mid-efficiency furnace. It's suggesting that could be 65 to 75%. So I'm going to choose a value of 75%, and I'm going to go ahead and enter that in there. The default fuel type in the base case is natural gas. That's the one we entered previously. So we're all set. I'm going to copy base to propose. Now this is a very important feature. Copy base to propose allows us to very quickly ensure our base and our proposed case are identical, meaning that there won't be any savings to begin with. We can then modify the proposed case if we're making changes. In this case we're not, but in later projects we're going to find that that will be a very useful feature in order to ensure that we eliminate a lot of extra typing, but also making sure that we accurately represent the proposed case. So we finished our heating equipment. So now we're going to move over to cooling equipment. I'm going to click under Step 2 on cooling, and I can pick the type of cooling equipment. In my rooftop unit, I have a reciprocating compressor. So I'm going to pick compressor, and I'm going to put RTU in my label here just for good form. In this case, rather than seasonal efficiency, what we're being asked to provide is the seasonal coefficient of performance. Similarly, we could actually select the seasonal energy efficiency ratio with units or BTUs per watt hour, depending on what you have available. You can choose one or the other of these. I'm going to use the COP, or coefficient of performance, and I know for the particular unit we're dealing with, that's 4. I'm going to go ahead and enter 4, and as before, copy base to proposed, and we're done. We've now specified the heating and cooling equipment that will be used in further projects.